In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to start a new project in Runway ML. We'll go from signing in to naming your project, so by the end, you'll be ready to begin creating without any confusion. First, open your browser and head to runwayml.com. On the home page, look for the Login option. If you already have an account, you can sign in with your email or use your Google account for a quick, secure login. If you're brand new to Runway, click Sign Up and follow the on-screen prompts to create your account. The process is straightforward, and once you're in, you'll be ready to access your creative workspace. After you log in, you'll land on your dashboard. Think of this as your command center. It's where all your existing projects live, and it's the starting point for anything new you want to build. You'll typically see a list or grid of projects, along with recent activity and controls that help you navigate. If you use Runway often, consider bookmarking this page so you can come back to it with one click. The dashboard's layout may evolve over time, but its purpose remains the same. It's the place where you manage everything. Now, let's create a new project. On the dashboard, look near the top of the page for a button labeled Create New Project, or sometimes just New Project. The placement might be slightly different depending on interface updates, but it's usually prominent and easy to spot. Go ahead and click it. This is the doorway to your next idea, whether you're experimenting with video, images, or any of Runway's AI tools. When you click to create a project, a prompt will appear asking you to name it. This is more important than it might seem. Choose a name that clearly describes what you're making so you can find it easily later. A simple system can help a lot. Include the theme, a short description, and maybe a date or version number. For example, something like Product Teaser, Draft 2026-02 keeps everything organized and searchable. Don't worry if you're undecided, you can usually rename your project later. Once you've entered a clear, meaningful title, confirm to save it. And that's it. You've signed in, found your dashboard, created a new project, and given it a smart name. With this foundation set, you're ready to dive into the creative work inside your project whenever you're ready.